For this mini song, we'll be using the C major scale. It is very similar to the pentatonic scale that we just used, but it's adding 2 more notes. We're going to be at 94 beats per minute. Let's start with a drum beat. I like the Fat 90s kit for this song. Okay. All right, let's double click our MIDI. Command A to select all of the MIDI notes, and let's quantize that. Let's give it a listen. All right, here's our drum beat for this song. It's really simple, just a kick drum and a snare drum. If you don't have drum pads on your MIDI keyboard, you can use C and D. So. All right, let's add some chords to our song here. Go to add a track, and let's go to synths. And I like the lo-fi saw synth. This one sounds cool. Okay, let's press Command A to select all of our MIDI. Let's quantize and take a listen. All right, so we have a chord bed there to play on top of. All right, let's play through the chords of our song. We're going to start with C major here. We're going to move this whole shape down to G major. And again, we're going to move down to an F. And back up to a G, same shape. And that's our whole progression, so let's play it really slow. All right, let's add a bass now. How about a synth bass? I really like the smooth Reese bass here. All right, so I'm going to double click and quantize this bass part here. Let's take a listen. Yeah, the bass part really fills in the low end nicely. All right, let's play our bass part now. First thing to do is press the octave down button 2 times. And we're going to be playing a C and a G, an F, and back up to a G. And that's our whole progression for our bass, so let's play it really slow. And that's our bass part for this song. All right, we need a melody, so I think a synth lead would sound cool. And I like the heavy lead. I think it sounds good. All right, let's pull this back and quantize this and take a listen to our melody. All right, let's play the melody of our song. First thing I'm going to do is click octave up on the keyboard here, and all the notes in our melody are in the C major scale. Let's listen to a whole playthrough now. All right, we have our mini song in C major.